Welcome to Milestone Institute of Technology. In today's highly competitive skill gap between industry and academia is ever increasing. Nobody wants to hire freshers as they are not competitive enough. How to address? At Milestone we are boosting our students' knowledge for more than 18 years with live industry projects. Let's see how this can bring difference. First, 3 months industry-based internship on live projects. Second, learn reverse engineering techniques. 3 technical sessions workshop. 4 3D printing workshops. 5 resume writing. 6 mock interviews and CAD tests will boost your confidence. This overall results in improving their decision-making skill, thinking capability and working under time constraints. In addition, MIT has tied up with more than 100 companies for placements. We have placed our students to L&T, Siemens, JCB, Hawken, and many more. We have achieved more than 90% placement track records consistently in last 5 years. At MIT we have realized the need and advantage of global career. After all, we are school with difference.